So does the Apple Watch automatically track workouts? A lot of people might be interested in that, especially before getting the Apple Watch. And the answer is yes, but there are also some things which you need to set up, right? So at first, we need to mention that as long as you keep your watch on the wrist at all times, it will randomly check for your heart rate. And based on these measurements, it will track your calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours into this fitness app, which are these rings, which you are probably familiar with. But the point is that the green circle or ring is for exercise minutes. And these are tracked automatically without you pressing any kind of button or starting a workout. As long as you keep your watch on the wrist, start moving, the Apple Watch will detect it through elevated heart rate and movement in terms of like the GPS location. It will use the algorithms in the background to determine the workout minutes. So this is being done in the background. So in this sense, it does automatically track your workouts. However, you should also check out the watch app of your phone and there go to the workouts section, like the workout settings specifically. And there are some other things regarding this which you might also be interested in. And upon scrolling, you can find the reminders section. And we have the start, resume, and end workout reminders. And if you have the start workout reminder turned on, this will remind you to start tracking, for example, the walking exercise. If you have this turned on and you just get out of your house and start walking, after a while, the watch will deliver you a notification asking you if you actually want to track it, right? So it will remind you to, start the walking exercise and track it precisely. So in a sense, if you have the option right there turned on, in a sense, it also tracks it in the background, right? Because it like reminds you, about the activity you have started doing, and you can click on that and it will track, since you started moving, not since you click the button, but, since you actually started walking. So I try to make this as clear as possible. So hopefully I got my point across. So let me know below in the comments if you have some more thoughts or questions regarding the Apple Watch. I've been using it for ages, so yeah, I have a bunch of other tutorials on this channel. Go ahead and check those out as well, and I'll see you later in the next videos.